Welcome to my channel. Today we are exploring a fascinating fact. The skin is our body's largest organ, and it's not just a protective shield. It's a complex system that mirrors our overall health. Did you know that many skin issues go beyond the surface? Conditions like eczema and acne, for example, can often be linked to internal factors like stress, diet, and even one's gut health. So when your skin is compromised, it can signal deeper health issues. With that being said, taking care of your skin isn't just about covering up blemishes to look good. It's about taking care of your overall health so that you feel confident in the skin that you're in. I challenge you today to pay attention to what your skin is telling you, and for you to see your skin as your body's first line of defense and a reflection of your internal well-being. For those in the health and wellness space or anyone interested in herbal alternatives, let me introduce you to a natural revolution in skincare. A wonderful addition to your sun protection routine, Kalawalla, a fern native to Central and South America. This ancient plant, traditionally used in folk medicine, has recently emerged as a potent ally in modern skincare for its sun protection and anti-aging properties. Traditional sun protection methods such as sunscreen offer surface level protection by absorbing and then reflecting the UV rays. However, Kalawalla works a little differently. It actually protects your skin from within. When taken orally as a supplement, Kalawalla can help reduce the damaging effects of the UV radiation on the skin, and studies have shown that it demonstrates a decrease in the formation of sunburn cells. It reduces the DNA damage, and it even inhibits the degradation of the skin. Beyond sun protection, Kalawalla offers a range of benefits that contribute to anti-aging. The antioxidant properties in the fern, it helps combat oxidative stress, which leads to the breakdown of collagen and elastin, resulting in wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. By neutralizing these free radicals, Kalawalla actually helps maintain these essential proteins in the skin, and it promotes a youthful and very firm complexion. The incorporation of Kalawalla into modern skincare regimen is a testimony of its versatility. It is available in various forms, including oral supplements, topical creams, and serums. And as consumers increasingly seek a natural alternative to these synthetic ingredients out there, this herb offers a natural and scientifically backed solution for those looking to enhance their skin's health, protect against sun damage, and combat the signs of aging. It's a wonderful addition to any homemade or commercial health and wellness formula. You can click the link in the description to read more about Kalawalla and follow the link from there to buy wholesale, retail, or private label from the Camp Trade Group, your natural health and wellness business partner. But don't forget to come back and share your experience so that we all learn about this potent herb.
Is the skin that you're in? Settle in your body, girl, focus on within. No born in iniquity, no grafted from no sin. Every mole displays beautiful out and in. See what happened to him when him touch my skin. The Kalawalla bush, keep it firm and trim. Down by the Camp Trade Group, come spin. Natural remedies, Caribbean things.
I don't do crack. Crack is whack.
Crack is whack. Know that. Yeah? When you had a fire spark.
Calling moment between Whitney Houston.